Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to create engaging Facebook videos for your business. Are you looking for a guide on how to create better Facebook videos for your business? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are going to use today two sites, two websites. One is ChatGPT and the other is Canva, right? Because for those who's like, okay, I'm going to start an online business. How do I make how to get more exposure? How do I get the word out there? You don't know what to do and you're lazy and you don't want to do research, listen to this guide and it's going to help you a bit, right? So, why ChatGPT? This is for research purposes, right? If you're going to be like, okay, how do I do better with social media, right? How do I gain followers? How do I gain, clicks, views, comments, likes, whatever? Um, if you're too lazy to go to Google or to do your research or to watch, YouTube videos from reputable like content creators about social media and whatnot, ChatGPT AI is pretty much your cheat code because you need okay you can, this is what you use to learn, have a TLDR when it comes to like creating social media, right? Whatever post it may be. So very important is to prompt it, you know, prompt the AI to do what you want, and so that it'll emulate the professional that you're supposed to be hiring for whatever social media need you have. So in this case, we want to create engaging Facebook videos, right? So, so for example, excuse me, we type act as a professional social media specialist and tell me how to create engaging Facebook videos for example, you have a, nuts and berries online business. This is kind of vague, right? But the most important thing is let's make it generate, right? Let's let it generate what's gonna say. So the most important part is you need to make it act as a whatever it is that you want it to emulate. Because you could just say, tell me, you could just type this, tell me how to create engaging, and it's going to give you a decent answer most often than not. But if you make it act as a professional, whatever it is, it's the prompt will help the AI be more specific. It's going to emulate, as you can see here, as a professional media specialist, I'd be delighted to help you creating an engaging Facebook video, for your nuts and berries online business. Video content is a powerful way, blah, blah, blah. So it's telling you how to do it. So set clear objectives, define your goals for the videos, know your audience, understand your target audience's preferences, create a storyline, create a narrative that revolves around your products, keep it short and snappy. Attention spans on social media is short. Visual appeal, use high quality visuals that showcase your nuts and berries in the most appetizing way. Add captions. Many users watch videos on Facebook without sound, so include captions. Brand your videos. Incorporate your business logo, colors, and visual identity. Music and sound effects. It's very self-explanatory. Call to action. Encourage your viewers to take action. CTA, call to action, meaning there's a trigger that will make them probably check out your site more, check out your website more, and all those things. Publishing schedule. Consistency is key, which is true, especially, I mean, if you're slowly gaining traction, if you're slowly gaining followers and people liking your page, if, for example, you post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and for a few months you do that, your followers, people that like your page, like your products, like your services, will expect content on those days, right? So consistency is key. Promote and engage. Share your videos across relevant Facebook groups. So Facebook groups, comments and whatnot. Like connect with other people in the same niche. And then lastly, analyze and adapt. Monitor the performance of your videos using Facebook Hack Insights. So that's pretty much how you use ChatGPT. to teach you, right? This is like the tip of the iceberg, as they say, to teach you. You can also make it uh, um, act as a video editor, because you're going to transition to the other website, which is Canva, who specializes in Canva and create a step-by-step guide on how to edit a video, Facebook video for a 20-second trail mix product for my Facebook uh, business page. This is a step-by-step guide on how to use Canva to edit this video. Right? let's wait for it to generate. There you go. It's a step-by-step. Sign in, access to Canva, very self-explanatory. Create a new project. Click on the create a design. Import your videos and assets. Uploads. Right, you're adding a video timeline. Trim the video. Add text and graphics. Include a call to action. Enhance with overlays and effects. Add background. So you pretty much it pretty much gives you a generalized, but again with good detail, step-by-step guide on how to edit video. And Canva is a very beginner or newbie friendly website. So if you type in Facebook video, maybe, yeah, there you go. Click on this 1080 by 1080, right? And again, you can use existing ones, right? Just look for maybe you can find something that you may like. This is food, so maybe try that, right? Or like what it said, open, create a blank on Facebook, and it's gonna right. So going back, it says import your videos and assets. That is through uploads over here. Right, click on upload over here on the left menu on the middle, and you can start doing it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.